Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how I made $24,000 in the first 2 months of 2021 selling digital products online. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I want to share how I made $24,000 this year alone selling digital products online. And on this video, we're gonna go over all my sales reports. I'm gonna teach y'all exactly how much money I had to spend to make $24,000, and I'm gonna just give y'all the whole blueprint on how to do this on your own if you wanted to sell digital products online like me. So first, right, not to hold y'all up, I just want to hop straight into it just to be 100% transparent. We're gonna hop straight into the financial reports. So we hop into my PayPal right here. We are in my sales insights, right, for my business PayPal account, and you will see I got it sorted by the 1st of January all the way until the end of February. And during that time period, I made $15,704, right? Over 1,000 sales, right? And the average sale was $13 per sale, right? And this is just on PayPal. On my website, I also have a Stripe payment portal, right, where customers, they could pay either through PayPal or Stripe. And during that same period on Stripe, I made $8,810. That's what I grossed. So I want to teach y'all how I did this in the first 2 months, right? And my business is still going as 24/7. Like, once you run a digital product business, it's different than a physical product business. Like, your store is open 24/7. You know, after you create the product or the service, the only time exchange is between the customer and the product. So, you know, if you could automate order fulfilling, that will really be your only time consuming, is just order fulfilling. But if you could automate that process, you could really scale up your digital business to the hundreds of thousands. And I'm just realizing that this year. And before we go any further, I just want to give y'all some game on what motivated me. Audiobook I was listening to all of 2020, and it was called The Law of Passive Income by Robert Greene. Now, I recommend everybody that wants to understand how to sell digital products to listen to this book, listen to this audiobook over and over, to the point where you remember these tracks like songs, and it'll really help you out if you want to sell digital products online. Now, in order for me to sell $24,000, right, worth of digital products, right, to make that much money, I just want to give y'all an understanding of the profit margin, right? To make this much money, to make $15,000 on my PayPal and $8,000 on my Stripe, you know, within the first 2 months, right? That cost me $4,800, right? It cost me $4,800 to make that much money, right? So my return on investment was 4x. I 4x my return on my investment, and that's because of the business model of selling digital products. Now, how I did it was through what's called a social media marketing agency. All of these websites that sell Instagram followers, that sell Facebook likes, right? And I found the source, right? And this was through SMM panels, right? I just realized that the market was wide open for social media agencies. As we moving into the digital age, it's a lot of businesses, it's a lot of companies that need social proofing. And once you have certain social proofing, people can leverage that and make money off of that. And me being smart like I am, I wanted to be the person who delivered, you know, the service. So what I did was I middleman this website, because at first on my YouTube channel, I would teach people how to go on this website, how to run their own business. I would show the other websites that do this. Like, it's hundreds of websites that sell Instagram likes. It's hundreds of websites to sell like Twitter followings, and it's so many different categories you can go into now with the TikToks, Snapchats. It's so much you can do now, that this is a very lucrative business, like for a bunch of different people, and what I noticed is that nobody was actually talking about it on YouTube, and that's how my approach differed from everybody else. Was I made YouTube videos. So with all of this money that was made, I had spent $0 in advertising. The only cost was from buying the services on Jap and delivering them to my clients. That was the only cost, right, of my digital business model. But it's a couple ways you can do this. There's a couple other ways you can do this that I want to explain. When you want to sell digital products, like even if you don't want to start a social media agency, another thing you could do, you can create album artwork, you can create logos, you can create different gaming templates, you can create YouTube introduction videos, right? And you can do all of this by joining a website called placeit.net, which you create these digital products. You can list them on Fiverr. You can build a website around digital products. You can even build Instagram pages and offer these, and you can run advertisements, showing what services you can deliver, right? And you can buy an account on here for $100 for a lifetime membership. But then that's it. Like once you add a lifetime membership, you can access all of these different designs, and you can make all of these different mock-ups and logos and videos for customers, and you can charge $50 to $100 per client or per service, and make back what you spent on the subscription for placeit.net. So this is another way you can sell digital products, through placeit.net. You can use Fiverr. You can build your own website. How I, approached it was I built my own website around Spotify streams, and I deliver Spotify streams on my website, right? And all people do is they come fill out this form, right? And I go on Jap and I deliver their order. And by me doing that, I made over $24,000, right? Over $24,000 in the first 2 months, right? December alone, I think I made $12,000, right? We can go to December. You can see from December 1st to December 31st, I made $9,000, right? And I made an additional probably 3 on here if we sort it. All right, let me just see how much I made. And another 5 on here. So we made over $14,000 in December alone selling digital products. So a very lucrative business. I think anybody can do this. Like I said, you can start a social media agency. You could offer these products through your website. One thing I did that made me different was I made YouTube videos around them. So I'm just giving y'all the full game on how I made $24,000 selling digital products online. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.